ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन मराठीमध्ये आपलं मनापासून स्वागत. आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी कॉमर्सचे काही इम्पॉर्टंट MCQ आपल्याबरोबर शेअर केले आहेत. हे MCQ मी लास्ट इयरच्या पेपरमधून घेतले आहेत, जेणेकरून आपल्याला क्वेश्चन पेपरचा पॅटर्न लक्षात येईल आणि हे MCQ आपल्याला येणाऱ्या एक्झाममध्ये उपयुक्त पडतील, कारण कुठचाही क्वेश्चन किंवा कुठचाही टॉपिक रिपीट होऊ शकतो. सो डू वॉच इट. आजचा लेक्चर सुरू करण्याआधी मी आपल्याला सांगू इच्छिते की ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन युनिव्हर्सिटीने आपल्यासाठी कॉमर्स फुल सिलेबस कोर्स आणला आहे, ज्याच्यात आपल्याला 25 मॉक टेस्ट भेटतील, प्रिव्हियस इयर क्वेश्चन पेपर टेस्ट विथ द डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन भेटतील, फुल सिलेबस टेस्ट, फुल युनिट नोट्स मराठी आणि इंग्लिश अशा दोन्ही लँग्वेजमध्ये भेटतील, 200+ व्हिडिओ लेक्चर्स मराठी आणि इंग्लिश असं दोन लँग्वेजचं कॉम्बिनेशन आहे आणि पर्सनल अटेन्शन पण भेटेल. टू जॉइन डाउनलोड अवर ॲप ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन युनिव्हर्सिटी और कॉन्टॅक्ट ऑन बिलो गिवन नंबर. चला तर मग आजच्या लेक्चरला सुरुवात करू. द वर्ल्ड ऑर्गनायझेशनल डेव्हलपमेंट OD वॉज कॉइन्ड इन मिड 1950 बाय, म्हणजेच संगणनात्मक विकास ही संज्ञा ह्यांनी 1950च्या मधल्या प्रचलित केली आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत वेंडेल फ्रांच, रिचर्ड बेकार्ड, हॅरल्ड रश आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे वॉरन बॅनिस. या प्रश्नाचा करेक्ट आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन नंबर बी. द वर्ल्ड ऑर्गनायझेशनल डेव्हलपमेंट OD वॉज कॉइन्ड इन मिड 1950 बाय रिचर्ड बेकार्ड. Dolgus McClure and Richard Beckard, while consulting together at General Mill in 1950s, the two coined the term organizational development OD to describe an innovative bottom-up change effort that fit no traditional consulting categories. Next question आहे, अधिकोषकाच्या उचित कार्यपद्धतीची आचारसंहिता जून 2004 मध्ये या संस्थेने सुरू केली आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत IBA, RBI, भारत सरकार आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे अर्थ मंत्रालय. Indian Banks Association formed on as a representative body of management of banking in Indian operating in India, an association of Indian bank and financial institution based in Mumbai. So here the correct answer for this question will be option number A. The Bankers Fair Practice Code was brought out in June 2004 by IBA, Indian Bankers Association. Here the next question is, which of the following is not quantitative measure of risk? म्हणजेच पुढीलपैकी कोणते जोखीम गणनेचे संख्यात्मक परिणाम नाही? आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत संवेदन क्षमतेवर आधारित जोखीम गणना, उच्च वचनावर आधारित जोखीम गणना, अधोगामी क्षमतेवर आधारित जोखीम गणना आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे मूल्याधारित जोखीम गणना. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number C. Risk measurement based on downside potential is not a quantitative measure of risk. Next question आहे, ही निधीवर आधारित असणाऱ्या अथवा नसणाऱ्या व्यवसायाला एक अधिकोषाने दुसऱ्या अधिकोषाला अथवा शासनाने दुसऱ्या पक्षांना मंजूर केलेली पतमर्यादा आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत पतरेक्षा, अधिकृत पत, मान्यताप्राप्त पतमर्यादा, नियंत्रित पतमर्यादा. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number A. Lines of credit is the credit limit for a funded or a non-funded business allowed by a bank or a financial institution to other bank or a government to other parties. Now the lines of a credit is a preset borrowing limit that can be tapped into at any time and a borrower can take money out as needed until the limit is reached. The next question is, not negotiable crossing is a warning to the, and the options are paying banker, collecting banker, holder, and D is A and the B together. The word not negotiable do not impose any additional duty on either the collecting banker or the paying banker, but it is a warning to the person who take this document that he should be very careful in receiving it. The correct answer for this question will be option number D. Not negotiable crossing is a warning to paying banker as well as collecting banker together. Here the next question is, what is a measure of sensitivity of future cash flow and the profit of a bank to unanticipated exchange rate changes? म्हणजेच विनिमय दरातील अनपेक्षित बदलामुळे अधिकोषाच्या भविष्यकालीन लाभ व रोखता प्रवाहावर होणाऱ्या प्रवाहाच्या संवेदनक्षमतेचा मापक हे आहे. And the options are translation exposure, transaction exposure, operating exposure, and the last option is operational exposure. Economic exposure, also known as operating exposure, competitive exposure, or a revenue exposure, measure the impact of exchange rate changes on the new present value of an accepted future cash flow from foreign investment project. Here the correct answer will be option number C. Operating exposure is a measure of sensitivity of future cash flow and the profit of a bank to unanticipated exchange rate changes. Here the next question is, AAA or AAA symbol used by CRISIL describe म्हणजेच CRISIL द्वारे वापरण्यात येणारे AAA चिन्ह दर्शवते. And the options are highest credit quality, सर्वोच्च पतदर्जा, high credit quality, उच्च पतदर्जा, adequate credit quality, पर्याप्त पतदर्जा, moderate credit quality, मध्यम पतदर्जा. Here the instruments with this credit are considered to have a highest degree of safety regarding timely servicing of financial obligation. Such an instrument carry lowest credit risk. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number A. AAA or a AAA symbol used by CRISIL describe highest credit quality. The next question is, who have jointly promoted the National Security Depository Limited NSDL, and the options are ICICI, GIC and SBI. Second option is SSCIL, NSCC and IFCI. Third option is IDBI, UTI, NSEI. And the last option is NSCC, IFCI and ICICI. To answer this question, you have to know about National Security Depository Limited, means NSDL, is an Indian Central Security Depository under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Finance, Government of India, based in Mumbai. It was established in August 1996 as the first electronic security depository in India with national coverage. It was established based on suggestion by the National Institute responsible for economic development of India. NSDL is promoted by Government of India, Industrial Development Bank of India Limited IDBI, the largest development bank of India, Unit Trust of India, and National Stock Exchange of India NSE, the largest stock exchange in India. The correct answer for this question will be option number C, that is IDBI, UTI and NSE. Here the next question is, what is an example of specific streams of payment over an agreed period of time? म्हणजेच हे पूर्वनिश्चित कालावधीतील विशिष्ट शोधीन प्रवाहाच्या विनिमयाचे साधन आहे. And the options are swap, premium, future and last option is option. The correct answer for this question will be option number A. Swap is an example of specific stream of payment over an agreed period of time. Swaps are derivative instruments that represent an agreement between two parties to exchange a series of a cash flow over a specific period of time. There may be increased financial benefit in switching to newly available or alternative cash flow streams. The next question is, The best procedure for opening an account in the name of minor X and a guardian Y would be under style, and the options are X account minor account, Y in the trust of X, and last option is Y account. The correct answer for this question is option number C. The best procedure for opening an account in the name of minor X and a guardian Y will be under style Y in the trust of X.